Sam here with MarineMax Coco, and today we're going to check out Sea Ray's 23 SPX outboard version. On the hull size, you can see the lagoon blue, nice bright color. You got the stainless steel insert on your rub rail. It is paired with the tandem axle galvanized trailer. On the back here, you can see a white 200 Mercury. A nice 4-step ladder get you on and off the boat, and then you do have a grab handle as well for more protection. This boat is equipped with a sports tower, so you can pull a tube at a high point or you can pull it down here. Back here, this nice lounge, and on the 23 you can lift this up and create a backrest, let your feet dangle while you're watching the kids. Being the outboard version, there is massive storage in here. As we make our way into the cockpit, easy access to your battery switch. Storage here. Under here, you can see a removable cooler. More storage here. This is an integrated cooler. You do have a nice lounge here with more storage. Then in front, a captain's chair with a flip-up bolster, as well as in front of the helm. Flip-up bolster. Integrated Simrad, Fusion stereo. A nice feature on the 23 is ahead. As we make our way up to the bow, nice seating up here. You can put your feet up, relax. Storage under each seat. Up here is dedicated anchor locker storage with the tie-off cleat. This boat is available and ready for delivery.